Hi, I'm Olie from Flitz. I'm here today to talk about all the marine care products that we manufacture now at Flitz. We do make the ceramic sealant in a more concentrated version. This is your true ceramic coating, which will last anywhere from 6 months to a year. And this product here, you can simply spray it in the boat on. This bottle is a 16-ounce bottle. They come also in 8-ounce bottles, 32-ounce gallons. But a 16-ounce bottle like this will do at least a 28 to 31-foot boat one time. But I'm talking all the fiberglass, your bright work, your isinglass, etc. When you put this on, again, spray on and wipe off. It does take 2 days to cure. Now, it's fantastic if it stays dry for 2 days. That's not always possible in the boating industry, but if you can, it works the very best. Because in 2-3 days from now, when that dries, it dries super hard. It's like putting glass on your paint. And this is fantastic on a hatch cover like this, on fiberglass, plexiglass, and so on. Now, wooden boats, while we're on this, best example. A wooden boat will have anything from anywhere from 4, sometimes to 8 layers of hand-laid varnish. People that have wooden boats are super anal because it's their love. It's something that takes a lot of time and energy. They even sand it down, repolish it, etc. But the sealant is a phenomenal product on a wooden finish like this because you can just use this on any covered wood. We sell from anything from a gun stock that's wood, to burl wood inside of a Mercedes-Benz, to the wood on an antique boat. And this is something you simply put on, wipe off, and you can get a minimum of 6 months to a year out of it. And these boats usually don't see bad weather because they're baby. But what a finish, what a shine. And I know we're in a studio over here, but to give you an example like this, that luster is phenomenal. And I know I can feel how slick it is. I know you can't, unfortunately, but if you check with our 800 number, or you check with customer service, or if you even blog us, it's amazing how many people brag about Flitz. If you go to any of the boat clubs, especially antique boat clubs, ask them about Flitz products. I would say 99% of people who've used our products, and I am very proud to say that hopefully 98% or more love our products.